All right, I am the man all dressed in white, and it's gonna be all right. Okay, well, if you're clicking this video, it's like, what the hell's going on with LiveGood? Give us some updates. What's the gossip? Or as young little bastards say, what's the goss? I hear kids right now saying that. So, all right, last night we had a team powwow, and this morning, and in a summation, we're kicking ass and we're taking names. We're invading everybody with health products and wellness for wholesale prices, even in India, Haiti, Zulu. I don't even know where Zulu is. I've heard of Zulu Nation, but on the back office, I guess you'd call it, when you go to LiveGood, you can see on the left side, it's like a ticker tape of everybody that's joining LiveGood. It's called the power line. And if you put your computer mouse, like I don't know if on a cell phone, but if you're on a home computer or a laptop, if you put the little mouse pointer thing on the flag when people are signing up live, it'll tell you what country it is. Because I only know like 10 flags, I realized. So if anything, I'm feeling pretty good with my LiveGood products, but they have really taught me flags, if anything. So thank you, LiveGood. All right, Corey Draper here. Thanks for watching my vids, man. Oh, 40,000 people in America are just totally killing it. Having a great experience with LiveGood. Started, December 13th? Right now it's about the tail end of April. So in 4 months, wow, 40,000 people here, 250,000 worldwide. That is awesome momentum. It means people believe in the company. They like the products. They like the pay plan. Saturated? Hell no. You're looking at 2-3 million people to go. If you do make a decision and you got a couple bucks on you and you lock in, I think you're going to be a very happy person, especially if you give yourself like a 1 or 2 year investment. That's how I look at it. People that, guns a-blazing, of course you want to use the products, they're wholesale, that's always cool. But you don't have to buy the products to make cash with this company. With our membership of only $10 a month, just about anybody can afford it. And for $100 a year, you even get $20 off if you'd like to take advantage of that. But at the end of the day, the company is super affordable, and it's honest to God, a wholesale company, which is unheard of. Usually it's a retail company with a crazy pay plan, and the inflated prices have to pay your so-called downline or your matrix or whatever you want to call it. But with this company, just starting with $10 a month, it doesn't seem like that much, does it? And I didn't either, because I started using the products before the affiliate program. I'm like, how the hell are you going to make money on 10 times 10 times 10 times 20 times? And then all of a sudden I looked at the calculator and I went, oh my, compound interest. Who invented that? Why do banks offer you like, oh, we'll give you 3% interest on this, and if you have good credit, 4%, and even the mob will give you 10 or 20%, and it still doesn't even seem like that'd be enough to justify a loan. But boy, it really does compound, doesn't it? So at this point, company update, products are selling well, distribution is kicking ass. They hired a whole crew of customer support. Just so everybody can, if they have any questions or if they want to return something or if they just have a question, that's the most important. But you can go to your team leaders or you can go to YouTube. You can even look online. In my opinion, they are very basic questions that you'll have because most of this company, it's just video training. So if you like videos, which obviously, if you're watching this video, you're probably a YouTube fan like myself. I haven't really had to ask any questions to anybody. I just simply Google or go to YouTube and that's it. Because there's so much training out there that if you are coming aboard right now, we're only 4 months in, just about every question you're going to have is going to be pretty much, it's going to be answered. So right now, as far as leads, clicks, where do I find people that want to make money? If you just focus on, I'll just say Facebook. Facebook, there's so many leads, it's going to blow your mind. And if you want to go ahead and post interesting things on TikTok and Instagram and little YouTube video, I mean, it's mostly free, right? Except for a cell phone cost, home computer cost, and Wi-Fi. But I look at it as free because we have cell phones and computer access already. So thank you to the big guy in the sky or whoever for the opportunity that we do have, because we are truly blessed. I like when Nodder says we're blessed, and even Nick, a buddy that a group that I'm in, He says blessed a lot. And that sounds good, doesn't it? We are blessed. All right. What is a blessing? Well, it is whatever you want it to be. I'm just happy to be healthy here. I've got a badass cup of coffee. And as far as the company, the sales are doing well. The products are being shipped almost same day. As far as more products on the way, they kind of did a little bit of a hint. And if ladies, if you're into collagen, it is super expensive, as you know. But when I heard how much our wholesale prices are, wow. I can see women running to buy collagen like crazy. And guys, too, that want to look dead sexy. Maybe collagen for those guys, too, huh? All right. So anyway, products are kicking ass. And like I said, you don't have to buy any products to make money with this program, and that's why it's so successful. So if you're in LiveGood already, maybe I've already shook hands or high-fived you over the old internet. We don't really do company meetings where we all fly and hang out. We just kind of do that on a daily or weekly basis, so you really do get to know people. It's good for social. You know, if you haven't joined LiveGood yet, and you're kind of just stuck in your apartment or house, and you're kind of a shy person, or maybe you like to have a relationship online, you can have that. It's fun. I think you guys will have a good time. I mean, what other company can you wear a hat backwards? I didn't realize how much white I had on. My friend gave me his new car. He produces car shows. Look, it's called Crank It Up. Crank It Up Productions. All right, Mike. I call him Magic Mike, like that stripper movie with is it Channing Tatum? I always say his name wrong. But anyway, boy, this is the most white I've ever. I should put white sunglasses on. I think I have some around here. But anyway, let's do some biz. Come on. Let's have some fun. All right, this is a very easy business. All you're doing is just making people watch a 6-minute video. They make a decision. Do they want products? Do they want to make extra money? All you got to do is have $20 times 2. You got 2 of them, rub them together. I should have $20. Well, I do have 2 20s, but in the other room. Maybe in my next video, I'll keep them handy and I'll rub them. And I'll show you how I'm on my way to gold. And I've only been doing this a little over a month. You know, my 2-month anniversary is coming up next month. So I just think if you make fun posts or fun videos, or keep this a very light business, less is better. Tim Miller, he's recognized as one of our top leaders. He's the top 3. Let's put it that way. He's one of the 3 amigos. And he says the less you talk about the biz, the better. Just make them watch the 6-minute video, and after that, then talk to people. And that's what I do, except on my videos. I like to chit-chat a little bit and see what you guys are all doing out there. So, all right, well, I'm just going to do a quick video. It's Friday, and it's beautiful outside in Salt Lake City, Utah. It's 70-something degrees. It's 80 over the weekend, and by Sunday, Monday, it's going to be 85. So I'm going to get outside, work on my tan. I got my Harley Davidson revved up for tomorrow for a big truck show. So if you're ever in Salt Lake City, look me up. I'm easy to get a hold of. I use my real name here. I've been around forever promoting rock and roll and Harleys and cars and trucks and live good. That's right. I'm living good and I'm feeling good. Okay, you guys have a good time. I'll see you guys next video. It's right here. Click it now.